Hi everyone, this is Mike with TimeMojo.com, and I'm going to be going over how to set up the TimeMojo timing tell program. So the first thing you need to do is click your table options. It'll either be a chip rack or an options button at top, depending on what theme you have. And you need to make sure the everything chat is on. So once you do that, you'll notice that there will be HUDs around the table displaying your opponent's recent action times. And if you hover your mouse over their HUD, you'll notice that it'll display the action for the entire hand, including timing, action, and bet amount if applicable. Okay, so the next thing I want to go over is customizing the timing HUDs. The first thing you'll notice is if you hold a left click on the HUDs and move them around, they'll save their positions. The next thing I want to show you is if you go to File Settings, you'll notice that you can change the colors of the timing ranges here. If you just left click, change color, and then pick whichever you want based on that timing. You can also change the range for which these splits are. So if you click here, you'll see you can change the timing. So for example here, this block here for 6.5 to 14 seconds will be blue. You can also change the font of all the timing HUDs. So if you want to make them smaller, you can. And you can even type in here if you want, but that's going to be really small. So the next feature I want to go over is the logging system. TimeMojo saves all of your hands with their timings on your computer so that they can be looked up later. All you have to do is just take the hand number, paste it into this box, and click Lookup. You'll get a window like this, and this will allow you to view the hand with all of your opponent's actions and timings. You can also click an individual player and see their specific timings and actions for that hand. This is very effective for note taking. Okay, so the last feature of TimeMojo is the timing randomizer. The way this works is when you click an action, whether it be check call or bet or raise, the randomizer will delay your action to a certain time range. So for example, if you see here, I have timing range 6 to 8 seconds. Whenever I click check call or bet raise, TimeMojo will automatically delay my bet until it is in a random time in this range. The idea of this is to make it so that your opponents can never exploit you by using timing tells. Okay, so I'll go ahead and demonstrate the randomizer. You'll notice as soon as I click call, a HUD pops up with a timer. As soon as this hits 0, your action will go through. You'll notice in a second that I'll actually move the HUD, and you can do this and it'll save its position just like all the other HUDs. You can also override the timer by clicking the action you want twice. So if you click call and then you click it again, it'll send it through immediately. Alright, so that is the TimeMojo timing tell software demo. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to send an email to support@timemojo.com and we'll be happy to answer you. Thanks for watching.